Yeah, coming into RedBud, I feel pretty confident from the last round. At Unadilla, I got my first ever pro podium. That was really cool. I felt pretty good all day, and I'm hoping to carry that momentum into RedBud. It helps a lot with the training and stuff back at home, and I've been feeling really good, really confident, and hoping to just get back on the box again. I'd really like to show everybody that it's not just kind of a fluke thing, and I want to be up there every round. So we'll see how the weekend goes.
Checked out the track changes. It looks super cool. It looks a lot sandier than normal. I don't know from MXON if they did add some sand to it or whatnot, but it looks deep and it looks like it's going to get rough. So it's going to be different than Unadilla for sure, but we've been training on some sand at home and just riding as much as we can, putting in the training and as much riding to be fit for this race and be consistent, of course, because out in the sand it's really easy to make mistakes, and I just want to try to keep the streak going, keep the moto wins going, and stay on top of that box.
You're only safe outside my mind. I need you breathing by my side. I keep the truth so deep that I can never truly sleep. So I just hold you close enough to feel at base.
Super pumped to get that 1-1 finish again. That's 4 motos in a row. I'm stoked on that. I've been feeling so good this year, and I just can't thank On The Box Nutrition enough for the fitness help and the nutrition tips for me for this weekend. It's so hot. You can see me. I'm just drenched in sweat. But I'm pumped to get this 1-1, and I'm ready to go home and work hard for Loretta's and Ironman. We'll see you there.
I'm excited. I want to keep pushing forward. I'm getting to battle with these guys more, learning a little bit each time. So, it gives me a little bit of kind of like homework to go do when I get home, is learning what they're doing and trying to figure out how they're doing it. So super excited. CST, T-Brown training, Root River Yamaha worked awesome today. Big group of people behind me, thank you.
Really wanted to get a podium in 2019. Finally got one, and you know the saying, the first one's your hardest, and I sure hope that's right, because I don't want it to take 5 years to get another one, which I don't think it will, but man, I'm just super excited. I'll probably finally be able to sleep tonight. It's always, every single night, it's been in the back of my head. You got to get a podium, and it scares me. I'm not old, but I'm getting older. I'm 24. I'm not 19, 18 anymore, fresh in pro class, and the years go by fast here, and I knew, you know, the time is now. The guys who are beating me are older than me, and I gotta not use that as an excuse. You know, if they can put in the work, I can, and I'm honored to race with the fastest guys in the world.